So Batman, what are we gonna do when we get back to the Batcave?
Trying to find that faggy Bane.
I didn't even know Bane was still alive. Didn't you kill him already?
I did, but he's on fucking roids.
I hate that motherfucker.
Me too.
I got a new song for you, Batman.
What is it?
I'll sing it for you. And I said, hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. I said, baby, what's going on?
Robin.
What, Batman?
Are you fucking gay?
I don't think so, Batman. But I do like you in those spandex.
Do you like vagina?
And I said, hey, yeah, yeah, you know. Hey, yeah, yeah. I said, baby. Go ahead and sing it, Batman.
What's going on?
Almost back to the Batcave, Batman.
There's no action tonight.
I think we're not going to get any luck tonight, Batman. I think we should just go to bed together. I mean, just go to bed.
Oh, what the fuck?
What the fuck is that?
Son of a bitch.
Oh my god, is that Bane, Batman?
What's the line? Shit! Fucking faggot!
Get him, Batman!
You fucking bitch! Ow, fucking hurt!
Oh, Mr. Lane! Thought you were in a fight! Lane Campos, protect us! You're nothing! You're nothing!
Oh!
And now, you're nothing! Robin! You're next!
Fuck you!
Hey,
Fuck you,
Robin.
Bane! Fuck you!
We're gonna rape you!
Oh my god, Batman! Batman, are you okay? Hey, Bruce! Bruce! Bruce, are you okay?
Pause.
Are you still alive? I'm gonna take you in. I'm gonna take care of you. You're gonna be alright. I promise. Oh my god, Bane! I can't believe he did this to you! Oh my god! Please don't fart on me, Batman! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I can't! Oh, you're too heavy! Fuck, Batman! Just relax! I'll get the door!
It smells like shit.
You're gonna be okay! You're gonna be okay! I'll take care of you! Oh my god, you're so fucking fat!
Where the fuck is Becca?
I'll take it! Alfred! Bruce is injured!
Where's Alfred?
I promise this will take care of you, Batman! I promise! You'll be okay after this!
Robin! Robin, what the fuck?
Baby, are you alright?
I almost fucking died. You masturbating?
No, it wasn't, baby. I promise.
What is wrong with you? What is this?
I don't know, baby. It's nothing.
What is this shit?
Just leave it alone. Hey, you alright? You alright? Bruce, you alright?
I almost fucking died.
What do we do now? He just kicked your ass. Oh my god, my dick hurts.
I need a rest.
Oh my god.
You ready to fight Bane?
Oh, just give me a second.
I need a rest. You need to fight Bane.
Alright, let's go.
He's terrorizing the city.
I promise you I won't let you down.
You ready?
Yeah. Bane, you're gonna regret what you did to my best friend, Batman. Wherever that son of a bitch is, I'm gonna kick his ass. Where is he at? Bane! Bane! Get out here! Where is he at? He thinks he's so goddamn tough. Where the hell is he?
Wow. Look at that boy wonder.
You fat bald fuck! Thought that I kick your ass!
Boy's been such a little faggot. I'm pain in my ass.
Fuck you!
Ugh. Come here, you little bitch. Robin! Gonna break your... Come here, Robin. You're gonna die this time.
Batman! Where are you?
Ugh.
Ah!
Ugh. Come on, Knight.
Battery!
Ugh. Ugh.
Oh!
Ugh. 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 Ugh.
Oh!
Come on, Batman!
Fuck you, bitch. Robin, come here.
Hey! Suck my dick!
There's so much grass in this game.
What's going on?
Robin, where were you tonight? Measure me. This is a great song. Isn't it? My ass cheek really hurts. Can I talk like you from now on? No.
Okay, Batman.
You're grounded.
Okay. Nah!
This movie's fucking over.